if it's friendly cat when you pet him. But stop petting the friendly cat and hear him meow and howl. Do you want me to pet you some more? Yeah. Come back. I will annoy you with my howling.
Dad.
Yes.
Is that already?
Now the cat's meowing. Do you want him, big guy? Here we go. Will you let me? Come on, I'll let you. Oh, he runs away.
I'm going to open the door and step away.
Oh, he'll hide somewhere though.
Oh, that's why I haven't done it, Tom.
Yeah, we're not going to do that.
I didn't say you should do it.
Oh, he probably cleaned up from last time.